Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining factorizing algebraic equation. So this is chapter 6.3, which is factorizing algebraic expression. So factorizing algebraic expression means we have to look in detail at expanding brackets and how it will be used when solving the equation. So for example, if you have 15x plus 12y, so what you will do is, in expanding this algebraic expression, you will see which is the common. So 15 and 12 are multiples of 3 and 3. So what we will do is remove 3 and write 3 5s are 15 x plus 3 4s are 12 y. So 3 brackets open 5x plus 4y. Then another example is if we have 3p minus 15q. So 3 and 15 are multiples of 3, so we remove 3 and write p minus 5q. So this will be the final answer. Another example is if we have x, here one second, if we have 15x brackets open x minus 2 brackets close minus 20 brackets open x minus 2 cube root. So what we will do is we'll expand this and write like this. Here what we will do is write 15x brackets in brackets minus 2 brackets close minus 20. So what we will do is, here we have x minus 2 cube root. So cube root of this is like this. We will write 3 minus 4 brackets open x minus 2 square and brackets close. So this is how we will do the factorizing algebraic expression, which is 3 minus, here 15 brackets open x minus 2 brackets close brackets open 3 minus 4 brackets open x minus 2 brackets close square and brackets closed again. So this is the equation for this one, and the last equation, that will be here 2q plus 4p plus 6r. So what we will do is, these three are multiples of 2, so 2 like this, q plus 2p plus 3r brackets. So this is how we will be solving factorizing algebraic expression. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. If you have any question regarding this, comment on in the video and I will reply back if you have any queries, and see you in the next video. Bye.